Maybe a glue stick? Stickamus magnificus! Excellent! It's worked! We will need an appropriate tube with a closing top. Print a big glue stick label and attach it using double-sided tape. Cut a plastic bottle so that it is of the same size as the tube. And put it in upside down. Mix some shaving cream, clear stationery glue, and a little borax. Make slime and put it into the tube. Close the cap. Open the gigantic glue stick. Oops! It looks like the spells had an effect on the glue itself. The giant slime happens to be in the tube instead. On the other hand, we can play with it. A task for this class is to make a whirl out of the slime. The phone call ends and Miss Smith finds out that her wand is missing. All the games are over. It's time to go back to studying. Let's prepare everything for an art class: water, paper, brushes, and paints. Once we decided what art style we work in today, Miss Smith makes up her mind to prank us again. She makes our painting set smaller. Cut a small rectangle out of thick cardboard. Cut out flat wooden sticks so that they are slightly longer than the sides of the rectangle, and hot glue the sides to the cardboard base. Attach the rest of the sticks to make a tiny crate. Empty lead containers and clean them from the inside. Set acrylic paint into a syringe and fill each container with the paint of a different color. Cut a sharp end out of a wooden skewer. Cut a metallic top with bristles out of a broken brush. Insert the skewer with its sharp end into the brush to make a handle. Take an empty gel refill and cut off a piece of it. Hot glue a piece of lead into the refill. Cover it with acrylic paint. Is it magic outside the Hogwarts? It looks like an art class at a dwarf school. The small paints are very cute. There's even a special brush to match them. Miss Smith cares about my friends too. She conjures a mini pencil for her. Thanks a lot! But drawing with these teeny supplies on such a big sheet of paper will take too much time. And the girls will have time to quarrel with each other. Maybe Miss Smith will make our canvas smaller before we start to fight. She doesn't mind. She's ready to make anything so that we leave her alone with her magic wand experimentation. Here you are. Take your easel miniature. Mark 2 identical pieces on a wooden coffee stirrer. Cut them out and hot glue 2 long sticks to the ends of a short piece, tilting them a bit. Mark the size of a mini square canvas on the long sticks. Hot glue a cross-section to the side sticks. Crack another stirrer on top. Attach it to the top stick to make a stable tripod. Put the canvas on the easel. The mini easel and our dwarf-sized art set are a match made in heaven. We managed to make a picture. We just need to color it. There you go! The masterpiece is ready. It should be a part of the best minimalistic collection. The blue-eyed girl has prepared little cheat sheets for her test. She tries to fasten them with a regular paper clip, but it is too big and covers half of the text. We need something smaller. I wish Miss Smith could conjure mini paper clips for us. We ask her making puppy dog eyes. She will certainly say yes. Miss Smith is usually very busy during a test. She rehearses her circus performances. But this time, we managed to touch her heart. It's worked! The paper clips become 2 times smaller. Unbend regular colorful paper clips and bend it again to make a paper clip of a smaller size. Cut off the excess. This baby clip will fasten all of my cheat sheets nicely, and I will manage to pass the test. Did you like our weird school supply ideas? Then write in your comments what you will choose. a gigantic glue stick and correction fluid, or a school board and a cactus miniature. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss our new tricks with a magic wand.